Welcome to the crop care series in the Sprout Up I6111 YouTube channel. In this series, our aim is to help you grow your crops by providing the steps in planting and tips while growing your desired crop. Stay tuned to this series by clicking the notification bell. We will post every Sprout Up Wednesday. For this episode, we will discuss how to grow chili peppers. Make sure to finish this episode up to the very end because we will reveal awesome tips to help you succeed in your gardening journey. Chili peppers are little pods that grow erect in clusters and have a short, conical shape that tapers to a rounded point on the non-stem end. When mature, the skin is smooth, firm, and glossy, ripening from green to red. The flesh beneath the surface is crisp, pale crimson, and watery, encasing a central hollow filled with tiny, spherical, and flat seeds. Without further ado, here are the steps in planting chili peppers. Purchase chili pepper seeds from a garden center or supermarket. You can also dry your own. Place one seed in each hole of a seedling tray filled with potting mix and water. Transfer to your garden plot or container after 18 to 21 days. 100 grams organic fertilizer or vermicompost can be added. Only water every 3 days. Fertilize with complete fertilizer and urea after 20 days to support the growth of new branches. Your plant will bear its ripened chili fruit after 75 days, from the time it was planted. Of course, we will not let you go without our awesome tips. Here are some tips that can ensure your success. Plant the chili peppers 18 to 36 inches apart, with 2 to 3 feet between rows, because soon, the plants will eventually reach a height of about 3 feet. Water. Maintain a steady moisture level in the soil that's not soaking wet. Chili peppers want water as much as they do sunlight, but you don't want to drown the plants or they'll rot. Every other or third day, water your plants. Before we reveal the last tip, have you subscribed yet? If not, why not hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this? Maintain a well-weeded chili pepper garden. You don't want invasive weeds sucking the life out of your chili peppers. And there you go, the steps and tips in growing chili peppers. We hope that this guide helped you. What do you think of this crop care guide? What crops would you like us to feature next? If you have any comments or suggestions, just comment below. Do not forget to like this video, hit that notification bell button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook community, Sprout Up Journeys, where we can share our gardening journeys, our successes and failures. In this community, we can help each other out and learn together because we are #BetterTogether. That's all for this episode. Have an awesome day and continue to sprout up.